As a student in the fast-paced world of 2024, I know the struggle of juggling multiple tasks and staying organized. It can be overwhelming, right? But fear not, because I've got some game-changing advice for you. Picture this. You, a student armed with the incredible power of AI tools. Yes, you heard me right. AI tools are here to revolutionize your academic journey. Imagine effortlessly managing your time, acing your assignments, and mastering the art of productivity, all thanks to the wonders of artificial intelligence. Let's talk specifics. From AI-powered time management apps to intelligent note-taking tools and study schedule optimization platforms, the possibilities are endless. These tools are not just fancy gadgets. They are your secret weapons to success. Say goodbye to the days of feeling overwhelmed and stressed. With AI by your side, you can conquer any academic challenge that comes your way. Now, let's dive deeper. Think about a student who transforms from struggling to thriving, all because they embraced AI tools. That could be you. By incorporating these tools into your daily routine, you're not just improving your grades, you're unlocking your full potential as a student. The future of learning is here, and it's exciting, it's innovative, and it's waiting for you to seize it. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the power of AI, enhance your productivity, and watch as your academic journey transforms before your eyes. Share your experiences with us, give these AI tools a try, and let's embark on this educational adventure together. The future is bright, and with AI tools as our allies, there's no limit to what we can achieve. Let's make 2024 our year of academic excellence and success.